Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. In this video I'm going to be showing how can you create a clear command, a whois command and a ping command for a Discord bot. A clear command clears a specific amount of messages. A whois command returns the info about a specific user, and the ping command returns our ping. So let's just get right into it. We're gonna do @client.command, then async def clear, and it takes two arguments, ctx and the amount of messages to clear. So I'm going to leave the default amount to 10, so it clears 10 messages. You can use whatever you want. Then we're going to do await ctx.channel.purge. We're going to use purge for this, and the limit is going to be amount. Okay, so this works. Then we're going to create a ping command. So @client.command, then async def ping, and all it takes is ctx. So I'm just going to create a new embed named new embed, and it's going to be discord.embed with the E capital, and its title is going to be an F string which contains your ping is backtick, and then a curly braces inside it, do round, and then brackets, and client dot latency. This is the client's ping, and we're going to multiply it by 1000 and milliseconds. Add a backtick over here too, and now we're gonna send this to the channel. So await ctx dot send. Wait, I misspelled that. Embed is equal to new embed. That's it. Now if I head over to the bot and do dot ping, this returns us that our ping is 391 milliseconds. And now if I do dot clear, it clears 10 messages. And now if I have to specify a specific number of messages to clear, so right now if I do dot clear 3, it clears 3 messages. And now if I do dot clear 2, it clears 2 messages. And now we're gonna create a whois command. Okay, so this is our whois command. I have given the code in my Discord server as well as the description, so check it out. I'm gonna be explaining the code in this video. So we did @client.command, and then we listed a number of aliases, and then we created a function named whois, which takes ctx and the Discord member, the member who we are asking information about. So we created a new embed named embed, and the title of the embed was the member's name, and the description was just mentioning the member, and the color was yellow, and we set a thumbnail as the member's URL, and the footer was requested by the person who asked. Like if you asked about somebody, then it would show your name and your avatar over here, and then we just sent the embed. Let's try this out. Now if I head over to the bot and do dot whois @_mystic, it shows me information about this person, like his avatar, and at the end it shows me my name and my avatar, like the person who requested it. And you can use it for any user, even yourself. So if I do dot whois @bro, it should return my username, yeah. And you can even ask the bot information about himself. So who is TestinBot? It returns the PFP of TestinBot. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like down below. I'm gonna show how to create more commands in the next tutorial. Bye bye.